Hi guys, and welcome to today's live trade analysis video for the day. So today we are trading on Bharati airtel. So in this video I'll be telling about where we took the entry, where we took the exit and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also, as you guys can see here, we are traded without any indicators. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel. In my channel, I have uploaded lot of educational videos and daily live trading videos from last 5 to 7 years plus on consistent basis. Okay, so you can subscribe to my channel to get the daily update. So now let's talk about the today's trade what I have done. So today I have traded on Bharati Airtel stock and I have bought this stock in the morning itself around 1470 somewhere around 9:20 a.m. Okay, so this is where I bought, and as you guys can see here, within 15 to 20 minutes of the time the stock has gone up. Okay, and the highest point what it has made as of now is around 1486, almost 16 points up within just some time of a market opening. So this is how the stock is performed for the day. Okay, so this is how the performance was. So if you guys want to get the live market personal support like this and want to learn about how to select stocks like this and want to do a right trades in intraday trading like this, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, you get everyday live market personal support with everyday live market guidance, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. Okay, and also you can just go into my blog spot. The link is given in the description below of this video. You can watch all of the earning proof and feedback from my clients. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, and also if you're a beginner, I'll be guiding you everything from the basics as well. And also if you want to recover your losses, I'll help you to recover your losses. Okay, so I'll be guiding you my best. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay, so this was the today's trade what I have done. And also if you guys can see Nifty 50, this is how it is performing for the day. So yes, market as of now is in a bearish side in the morning. Okay, so let's quickly look at how the pre-open market had opened for the day. So if you go to the pre-open market page, we can see here that the market was 0.38% was up. It was even the opening time. Okay, but it was at 9.7. Okay, and later the market started coming down, and once the stocks were 47, declines were 1 and unchanged were 2 stocks, but later the market started coming down. Okay, so this is how the market is performing for the day, and the time is at 10 o'clock now. So within this time we have finished our trade and we have completed our trade with the target. So if you guys want to learn from me and want to get the live market support from me, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and by getting in touch with me, and I shall guide you all the things. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.